Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today again we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video data is guys Infinix phone guys, phone battery percentage guys, how can we on friends your battery percentage off, and guys you cannot see guys your battery percentage, so how can we on guys phone battery percentage in Infinix phone device, and how can we use it? So first of all guys, you will have to on guys your Infinix phone guys phone setting guys. So guys we will on guys our phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, we will scroll down guys our Infinix mobile screen this, and as you can see guys, your the phone power setting is tap here, and guys scroll battery setting is tap here. So as you can see, the battery percentage guys is off. So guys we will on from here. After on guys come back, and friends now guys you can check guys how much battery percent you have in your Infinix phone device guys. You can check guys. I have guys 45%. So like that guys, we can check guys our battery percentage guys, and we can on it. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends understood how to on battery percentage. So bye guys.